What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. Now we are back. There are exciting times ahead of us right now. We got official word from the Shiba Inu team that Shibarium was about to be released. Now we talked about this in yesterday's video. I know that video was a little long-winded, so we'll just shortly recap this. The official Shiba Inu team updated us on basically the pace that Shibarium will be releasing. We made a speculation from information, hints or clues released on Satoshi's social media page that Shibarium was likely to drop around March 20th. So let's take a look at this real quick. Satoshi updated the bio section to tending the pine tree of life, location or info, community. And then y'all know my favorite saying that, basically I coined on YouTube, connect the dots, or connecting the dots. So y'all know me and Satoshi tapped in. Salute to Satoshi. That tells me we got some dots to connect. So as we did that, we looked at this post here, said during fall, the tree may have only a few leaves, but then spring appears. That's the key word right there. Spring appears. Luckily, Shibarium in this text is a pine tree still. It needs water, sunlight, and proper soil, but pines survive and thrive during the harshest winters. I also hear the needle tea is good for you. So that's in response to Shibarium saying the tree of life may have 1,000 leaves, but all these leaves are the same tree. So think about that in regards to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The team released, let me show y'all this real quick before we get to what the rest of the community is talking about. Everybody's excited, hyped up about, the time we're in right now. They released this blog, basically, Introduction to Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network. Now, I broke this down completely to a T. Actually, not just a breakdown, but I read over all the details that the team provided for us in a separate video. Go watch that video if you want to just get the full understanding of what this involves. We talked about the burns. We talked about treat token. We talked about validators, delegators, all the things you need to know when it comes to Shibarium. Now, of course, more information is to come, but everything we could talk about for right now. So let's take a quick look at what the community is talking about, how excited everyone in this space is, and then we'll go do some technical analysis, looking at Bitcoin, a critical level that we just crossed over that can be very bullish for the space, and then we'll also take a look at Shiba Inu. So someone says 138 million Shiba Inu burnt in a week, 19 million in 24 hours. Someone else says we see you, you're not alone. Someone else says when Shibarium gets released and burning of Shiba coin goes in more effectively. Did they mention how much Shiba will be burned? So no, they did not give us this yet, but we know that this is going to come soon. The documents for Shibarium will be rolling out in phases. So we got that first phase. We'll get an update pretty soon. I'm expecting within the next week or so, giving us more information on that burn mechanism. Think about that. Every single transaction that takes place on Shibarium will burn Shiba Inu. That is extremely bullish. We possibly can even do a little math, and well, we would need to know a few figures. We would need to know overall trading volume, the volume on the blockchain, how many people are actually using it. Then we would have to know the percentage of Shiba Inu that would be burned per transaction to be able to kind of put those figures together. So also, Shiba Inu about to launch Ethereum Layer 2 network in Shibarium. Now let's take a look at how many people are active. 2,800 people online today. This is a high number. I remember times when this number dropped under 1,000. So to see this many people back, in the local community page, that shows that people are interested, waiting on the sidelines, and excited for what's next to come. So that can tell us that we have a slight rally that may be here. Shiba Inu whale adds more to shib to 2.25 trillion position, reporting Inu. So we got Bones, Shiba Inu, Shiboshis, Metaverse, Wellies, soon. How much SHIB do you think you would need to be burned to reach 1 cent? Shiba Inu to Bone or Shibarium? Why is Shiba Inu breaking out right now? So those are some of the comments that people are talking about. Now let's go take a look at the charts. This is what I really wanted to show y'all. So if we go look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see we're at a key level that is very important for the direction we move after this. So right now we're on a 1-day chart. Right now we have the 200-day moving average up, and as you can see, Shiba Inu has officially broke above the 200-day moving average. When the price is trading below the 200-day moving average, that shows us that we are, in a downtrend, but also, the price is likely to continue that way. When the price breaks above this 200-day moving average, it tells us we're in that uptrend and it's likely to continue with that bullish pressure. So volume is picking up. We can see, look at this volume right here, picking up higher than these levels we've been seeing in previous months. So very exciting to see, what we got here. We might really see a nice breakout to the upside. Now, if we can get a breakout above this 24, right around this, I want to say this 24, let's just say into $25,000 level, then we are clear to possibly go up and start testing around that 29,000 level. Might see a little resistance at 27,000, but then it shows that major area around 27. Because if we look, we can see, if we look left in the chart, we got several areas that basically connect with this area in here. So after we break and tap here, this 25 range, it tells us we're likely to move up to this range here. And once we test this area, we are absolutely gone if we could take, continue to go. Why? Because investors' sentiment will, get better as more people see those green candles. More retail investors will start to chase those candles and push the prices up even higher. So now let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Actually, let's talk Bitcoin's price at $21,050 right now. Volume is up 21% at $25 billion, y'all. That is absolutely crazy. $405 million market cap. Overall cryptocurrency market cap is at $983 billion right now, down 1%. Earlier today, I did see it up to $996 billion, so it did pull back slightly. It was up around 1.5% earlier today. We got Ethereum at 1557, up 17.9% on the day, and then we got BNB at 297, up down 3% on the day, and then we got it up 9% on the week. XRP 38 cent right now. We got Cardano 34 cent, Doge 8 cent, Matic $1.01, Solana $23.10, Dot at 5.75, Litecoin at number 13 by market cap $85.06. We got Shiba Inu at number 15 place by market cap, sitting at that 1047 level, down 3.5% on the day, but up 20.3% for the week. Now let's take a look at Shiba Inu on the day chart as well. Let's grab that same indicator. Let's use our moving average and put it on that 200-day and see, are we trading above that 200-day moving average? A lot of investors use that 200-day moving average to be able to determine, if they should go long or short, basically just meaning should they buy in or should they wait. So let's try to get it in a little bit closer so we can see it did briefly break above it. It did briefly break above it. It started to pull back. You can see we got some volume starting to sell off right here. The price did a couple times break above it. Right now, it tried to retest it, and it's looking like it wants to start to retrace a little bit. Now it could receive some type of positive catalyst that just pushes things right back above this level, but I see it going above there soon. If it does snap above this 200-day moving average, let's see where we can expect it to go after that level. So it looks like we might have some resistance around that 1159 range. And then also again, maybe around 1310. Then we got 1404 and then 1532. So those are some key areas right there to the upside for those of you that are traders and want to take profits in a short time if we break above this and you start to see it go crazy. Now look at this area of volume. We haven't seen the volume look similar to what we're seeing right now since I'll say the end of October. Around times we've seen the price at around that 1528 level. So this is very exciting times right now. You want to be prepared now just in case things go the way we hope that they do. You'll already be in the markets. Now this is not financial advice, can't tell you what to do. Just use this information and combine it with your own due diligence and make the best decision for you. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.